All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to go take a look at the lower shop, ready for work. Actually, it's been being used for work. In case you don't know, that's the back entrance to the shop. It's not really easily driven up or out, but it used to be, and there's the road into the lower shop. And there, as you can see from the Hunter Flashy Flash, there's the lower shop. And as you can see, it's already in use. Now we're still working on we're actually making some changes to the vent system because those things are really pain in the butt. But Zach's 2 bays right here, his toolbox right there, Daniel's roll carts right there. You know, answering the questions about the layout of the shop, well, this is it with more populated with cars. Right here is going to be a little tight as far as working here versus working here. You know, Daniel's bay, Zach's bay, but shouldn't be too bad. There's room to come around this bay. Literally plenty of room in front of the lift, and room around this lift. You can even take a tire off, CV axle. Now yes, it's going to be tight, not going to lie, but definitely doable. And as you can see, there's car for Daniel back here. Plenty of room. So, yes, it's tight. Is it as tight as everybody thought? No. The biggest issue is navigating and turning and backing up. Normally what we do is we have to back up that hill until we get to the parking lot and then turn around. So, but that's the hardest thing, is backing out of the shop. FYI, Zach got a new toolbox. He traded in his Snap-on 76 series for a new triple bank. In case you can't tell, here's a theme. Those two lifts, Zach's 2 bays, are the tightest. Daniel's are pretty spread out. He's got good room in front of his lifts. Keep in mind, we also have outside, so we can pull cars in backwards. And then bathroom being built, and we got workbenches. James is down here, and he's actually got the most room out of anybody. So they've been working out of here for a while. They've been busting hump, getting stuff done, so it's definitely not a problem. But yep, they are now in and working out of the lower shop. Again, sorry about the echo, not much I can do. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.